So you talk about ChatGPT. Personally, I'm using it for maybe recommendation later or uh, just to type a text for a friend. So what else can I use it for?
Okay, so for me, I use it to build my own chat agent.
Okay.
When you subscribe to the premium version, you get the opportunity to create your own AI, personalized AI.
Interesting.
So you can create an AI for a specific job. As a student, you can also upload your notes,
Okay.
all your notes, all the things you've learned. It's going to be your own notes. It's not going to be like something that the general one will give you. So
that will help me too.
Yeah, it will give you a personalized one that you can use. It can also be your assistant. So you can train it on you as a human being. It will know everything about you. So when you can have your own app that tells people about you. When they want to reach out to you and they can't, they can ask the person, they can ask the AI, what's your schedule for today? The AI will tell them everything because you've trained it for that purpose.
So if I have my smartphone now, can you show me how to go step by step to be able to do what you have just said?
Yes, of course. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the chatgpt.com. If you already have an account, you just sign in. If not, you sign up.
Hi, I'm Angelina Wedrago and welcome to Tech Talk. On Tech Talk, we explore the world of technology and how it's relevant to our lives. Today we are having a special guest. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Thank you very much. My name is Jonathan Kennedy Soa. I'm the founder and CEO of Innovatech STEM Center. Innovatech STEM Center is an innovation hub and Ghana's leading STEM engagement organization. We empower the youth with industry-relevant skills in science, tech, engineering, and math through robotics.
Okay. So recently, you were a speaker during the Ghana Youth Tech Summit. So what inspired you to accept to be a speaker during this event?
Thank you very much. I think one of the most important parts of our work is advocacy. And then any place that there's a gathering of the youth, it's always a privilege to be there, to share my experience, the challenges I went through, and then, my expertise on how to overcome those challenges. Okay. So I was really honored to be a speaker.
Okay. Yeah. So talking about this experience, how will you describe it?
Well, as a young person starting a business, you go through a lot of challenges. It's like the whole world is against you.
Okay.
But you need someone who has already been there to take you through the journey. Mm-hmm. So instead of you repeating the same mistakes, there's someone who has gone through that, has made those mistakes. So the person will just have to guide you.
What role do you think that technology plays in shaping the future of the young people in Ghana?
Okay, so that's a very good question. Technology plays a major role in shaping our future as a youthful country. Whatever you want to do as a young person is mostly dependent on technology.
No.
Yes, you get it. So it plays a major role in every area that you want to go as a youth. Our century, our generation is the digital generation. So you want to learn, you have to go online and learn something. If you want to order a ride, you just pick your phone, just order. So you don't have to, literally walk to the roadside anymore unless you decide to. But then technology has become like a way to make every work easier for you. And so we have become dependent on it.
Okay. So how personally do you use the technology in your everyday life?
I use a lot of technology. I'm a tech person. So I use a lot of technology. When a part in my car breaks, I design, I model, and then I print a part and then I fix it. If I need something done, I look at the technologies that I have in my possession and see what they can do. If I want to send a message and I don't want to sound so rude or so friendly, I use ChatGPT. Make it sound friendly, make it sound professional. You get it? Yeah, so I use a lot of technology.
So could you share some tools that you are using in your everyday life?
Yes, so ChatGPT, I use Cloud AI, I use Gemini, I use the Perplexity, I use, so those are the major ones I use, the AI tools I use.
So you talk about ChatGPT. Personally, I'm using it for maybe recommendation later or just to type a text for a friend. So what else can I use it for?
Okay, so for me, I use it to build my own chat agent.
Okay.
When you subscribe to the premium version, you get the opportunity to create your own AI, personalized AI.
Interesting.
So you can create an AI for a specific job. If you want to train an AI on how to speak Ga or Chi, you can upload everything about Ga or Chi onto it, and then it will learn.
Okay.
Then you can now export it and then even use it as your own AI. So you can sell that API to other people, or you can sell it on a ChatGPT store. There's a store that you can buy your own AI. So there are a number of apps there that people have created.
Mm-hmm. So it means that if I want to learn, for example, tree, I can create my own AI and put every information that I have in tree or vocabulary, grammar in the...
Yes.
Do I understand?
Yes.
Okay.
As a student, you can also upload your notes.
Okay.
All your notes, all the things you've learned. It's going to be your own notes. It's not going to be like something that the general one will give you. So
it will help me too.
Yeah, it will give you a personalized one that you can use. It can also be your assistant. So you can train it on you as a human being. It will know everything about you. So when you can have your own app that tells people about you. When they want to reach out to you and they can't, they can ask the person, they can ask the AI, what's your schedule for today? The AI will tell them everything because you've trained it for that purpose.
So if I have my smartphone now, can you show me how to go step by step to be able to do what you have just said?
Yes, of course. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the chatgpt.com.
Mm-hmm.
If you already have an account, you just sign in. If not, you sign up. Then when you sign up, you have to sign up to the premium version.
So it's not free?
That aspect is not free, so you would have to sign up to the premium. Now when you sign up to the premium, you now go to the store and then you click on create.
So how much is the cost for it?
It's about 400 cedis per month.
Cedis.
Yes. So you can, when you go to the store, you create, and then now they give you a platform where you can train your own AI. So what you have to do is that it's either images or documents. So just upload them. Links, you just upload everything you want it to know, everything you want to train it on, you just upload it over there.
Okay.
Then when you upload, you train it. So when you train it, after training it, you test it. Okay. So when you test it and it's good for you, then now you can export it. So you can connect it to your website, you can connect it to your Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever you want to do. Or you can even sell it.
Okay.
Do you get it? So if you train, let's say you, as a journalist, you train the AI on a specific number of years for, let's say, an article that happened, let's say, from 2021 to 2030. And then I go there, what happened in this year, to be able to tell me everything. But then the general one cannot tell me that.
Yeah.
But you have been able to train that one.
So it means that I can even use it to build my own business.
Yes.
So after the training, if I want to put it on my website, how am I supposed to do it?
Okay, so what ChatGPT does is that once you subscribe, you go into developer mode. So they give you API access. API is like, let's say, a key for you to use whatever you've created. So once you are done, you can take that API access and then link it to wherever you want to link it.
Is it a kind of password?
Yeah, it's some codes.
Okay.
okay, codes. That gives you access to the product you've created. So if you put it on your website, maybe you've created an Angie bot that can connect with your audience, okay, and then you are done training it on everything about you and what you do. Then you take the API access. Maybe if you are developing a website by yourself, good. Then that means you just connect the API to where you want it to be. If it's just going to be a pop-up that the person will just talk to you on, then you are good to go. If it's WhatsApp, there is a way that you can do it. If it's Instagram, it's very technical.
Okay.
So
for that one, you need assistance, right?
Yes.
You can't be doing me if I'm not like a tech person. I can't be doing it.
Yes. So you have to get like someone who is a tech person
I have
to
to
do
pay
it.
the person for it, right?
Of course. If not, you can learn how to use it yourself. The WhatsApp one, you connect it to a number. Okay, so you just add the number, or you just search for. There's this Baumia GPT, right? How do you use it? So you just add some number. They have some number. You just add it, and then you'll be able to chat to the agent.
Okay.
So it's the same thing. Once you train it, you connect it to a
You're
number.
having a bot on your WhatsApp.
Yes. So once you train it, you connect it to a number. You add the number as a contact. Then you can now exchange things with it.
So aside what you just talked about, which trend should young people pay attention to?
Okay, so that's a very good question. I think the major trends are AI, robotics, and then using AI in agriculture, using AI in health, using AI in education.
How can you use AI in agriculture?
So you would have to find a problem, okay? Let's say in agriculture. You create an AI that can detect whether a tomato is bad. Do you get it? So you train the AI on bad tomatoes, how it looks like. You process the images. Now when you take your phone, you go to the market and you take your phone, and then you feel like, okay, let me check whether this tomato is good. It looks at it and then to tell you, now, don't buy this tomato, it's bad.
So you mean that now it's possible to, if I have my phone here, I can take my phone, go to the market, scan a tomato, and see if the tomato is fresh or not?
Yes.
Wow.
And then if you want to take it to education too, you can get projects that, like I said, you train it on your notes. Okay, so that AI will know how you learn, the kind of notes you have. So it will give you a more like a personalized kind of learning experience.
Okay.
Because it will know your strength based on how you are learning.
So you act like a coach.
Yes.
Or a mentor.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And then if you take it to health too, I think, human beings will make mistakes. So you do a scan, and then the experts can tell you that, oh, this is wrong. Meanwhile, there is something actually wrong with you. Do you get it? So if you have an AI that you've trained it on all other scans in the world, it will be able to detect that, okay, it will find similarities between when patient A had a fracture. So it will connect it to other ones. So if you have a fracture and then the doctor cannot see it, it scans your scan and then it says that, no, this is a fracture. So it assists the doctors to make informed decisions.
Are those existing tools already?
Yes, there's this AI company in Ghana that is doing that.
Okay. And can you have an example, like a name of one of these, for example, for the medicine?
Whoa, forgotten the name. But the guy's name is Darlington Akogo. He is the big guy in AI in Ghana.
Thank you, Jonathan, for your time. I really appreciate, and I learned a lot today from you.
You're welcome.
So do you have any events coming?
So we have the Pirate Girl Summit on 30th November 2024 at the Accra Technical University, where we will teach students, young girls from age 8 to 18, how to create their own AI agents, how to build mobile apps, how to build robots, and how to program them. Okay. So you're welcome. You can join.
I can join.
And then come
what
and
is
learn
the age gap?
Oh, you can join. Don't worry.
Thanks for your attention. This was me, Angelina, on Tech Talk. Press the button to subscribe to our channel and get all our videos. Thank you.